So as the 40 startups have launched out of Codefi, that creates a big demand for technical talent. And we realized there was a lack in our region. So out of curiosity, we did some research. We checked 252 counties from St. Genevieve all the way down to New Orleans. And what we found is that Cape Girardeau and the surrounding area is one of the worst in terms of percentage of computer programmers in the workforce. And that's mind-blowing considering the opportunity and future opportunities for this type of work. Not to mention that the salaries for these types of jobs is double what the average wage is for all other occupations. Then you look at introducing computer programming to youth. So obviously this type of skill is broadly applicable to a wide range of academia.
Code Labs is a free course, and it takes adults from zero programming knowledge to entry-level developer skills in the space of about 20 weeks. Our third cohort started in July. Code Labs, what we're trying to do is fill the immediate need that we're seeing for developers in our workforce. It's amazing to watch folks from all walks of life who are gaining skills that are giving them a chance at a career for the very first time in their lives. And I think there's something really interesting about the Code Labs course that really sets it apart.
Yeah, there's a differentiator with the program that we've created. See, the courses and everything that we teach isn't completely theoretical. It's very practical. What we do is we bring local tech employers in at the very end of the program, like Vizient, Vintage Software, Codefi Labs, and the students that are in the course get to work hand in hand with these local employers on real-world projects in a group environment. So having something like that in your portfolio makes it so much easier to transition into a job. So we're in our third cohort right now, but from our past two cohorts, those graduates that have gone on to find jobs, their wages have increased by an average of 200%. And now we're focusing on long-term investments with youth.
Yes. This summer, we got to organize 6 week-long coding camps. We did that because we could and because we know how important it is. So at Coding Camp this summer, 148 kids were able to learn basic coding skills. But I have to tell you how huge this demand for youth coding educational programming is. We're continuing to do what we can to meet that demand by expanding our coding camps for next summer. And seeing the confidence and the pride on these kids' faces, as well as the skills that they develop over the week at camp, it's just a taste of what area middle schoolers are going to be able to experience this fall. So I think we all agree that equipping kids to succeed in the digital workplace of the future is really critical work. And I'm so excited, we are so excited to roll out the very first Youth Coding League to area middle schools. This is an after-school program that utilizes Google's Computer Science First curriculum. The league is to middle school students who are interested in technology what sports are to kids who are athletically gifted. Initially, we planned for this Youth Coding League to be a very local program. I mean, this is our first foray into after-school youth coding education. And I am so proud and I'm so excited to be able to tell you all who is on board for the very first ever Youth Coding League in fall of 2018. We're so excited to welcome the 32nd Judicial Circuit, Cape Central Middle School, Eagle Ridge Christian, Jackson Middle School, St. Henry's all the way down in Charleston, Scott County Central, Prodigy Leadership Academy, Trinity Lutheran School, and Scott County R4, which is Kelly School. So we look forward to a really incredible semester with these area 5th and 6th graders.